What's going on, guys? I'm over here at Inshane Designs for a little open house that they have here going on today. It's been a heck of a turnout. It's a bunch of nice cars here. Saw that Street Speed 717's here. Jared Campese's here. Saw neighbor Rich showed up. A bunch of people here. Ton of nice cars. I'm going to keep this intro nice and short and sweet for you guys and show you what cars are here. Hope you enjoy it.
I think I let my guard down. Certain things ain't the same now. Hard to navigate these problems. I'm by myself, you're not around. I tried to open up, it wasn't good enough. Put in my all and got nothing back. Now I'm stuck in the rain, dealing with all this pain. Why you gotta do me like that? Don't say you love me, then go and leave me. It can't get ugly, trust and believe me. Saying to myself, looks hard deceiving. Trying to fight back, this far from easy. I've seen your hands. Delilah, don't you know I've seen your hands. Delilah, don't you know my heart.
Yep, I got it.
Yeah, you you belong in Motley Crue.
That is sexy. It's hard to stay away from you right now. Dude, where did you get the fake cigarette?
I don't know, I found one somewhere.
It's Marlboro Ultralight. Ultralight.
Yeah.
It's
You can only blow it once. You got to leave it once.
yeah. So it actually
It puffs
out
like
spirit.
a little bit. But only do it once. You got to wait a little while, then it'll do it again.
We heard you coming from a mile.
Yeah, as soon as I heard the pops you crap, I was like, that's fucking there.
Wonder if I'm allowed to smoke inside.
Yeah.
Find out. Oh man.
That whole thing just looks mean.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's something I've been kicking around.
I was gonna say, when you buying one?
Yeah, man. I keep telling myself, no, you don't need it, but I'm pretty sure I do.
I think you need it.
Yeah, you might see one here. Man, check out the diffuser in the back. That's aggressive as hell. It's pretty wild.
It's thick.
Oh yeah, she's thick for sure. Man, that Bronco is dude, that is wild.
This one or that one?
This one's a brand new Bronco that they gave the retro look to.
That is sweet.
They knocked it out of the park too. That's bad looking. Huh. Pretty sure this is their giveaway Bronco too. I'm pretty sure.
Is it?
Yeah.
I think you're right. It's got a matte finish on it. The vinyl. Like it's hard to tell on camera.
Gotta figure out how to.
Dude, I don't know if I can take this serious. You're a fucking wig, man.
Everybody's been telling me it looks good on me though.
Dude, it does,
matches
though. It
matches
does,
the
though.
beard real nice.
It does.
Yeah,
Like when
so
you sent me pictures the other day, dude, I just started dying.
I don't know, man. I might have to think about growing it out, I guess,
Yeah.
because everybody's loving it. So
Yeah, you gotta keep the flannel cut off.
yeah. Oh yeah, dude. I'm. This is gonna be in the everyday wardrobe now. I'm just gonna rock this wherever.
Yeah.
So.
Dude. Question, is that a real 100 or a fake 100?
I don't know, man. All I can tell you is there was a party last night and it got real wild, so it's hard to say. So, if anybody who follows my channel probably also follows Street Speed. So this orange Mustang might look familiar to you guys. It may have just destroyed my 720 the other week. So that is the car. Everybody says I should keep it. I should.
Oh, most definitely. You should grow it out like that, yeah. Get it permanently planted like Joe Dirt.
You like that? I think he got a little wild last night. Amir was throwing money, so.
I can't get over the bounce.
That's the bounce. It's got a nice little spring to it.
When you two pulled up, I lost. Yeah. Because all I could see was fucking hair.
Well, Amir's hair was out the window.
Yeah,
like,
it was
going on the.
It was flapping.
So here behind me, we got the burnout pit. We'll see that in action here a little later. We're actually we got here like an hour early to the show, just to get a parking spot. That's how busy, how packed it is here. So it should be pretty interesting. Looking forward to seeing some cars in the burnout pit here.
That's great.
How you been?
Good, how are you?
Good. Everybody's cracking up when I pulled in because I had to sit with a cigarette in my mouth.
Did you ever get the vet figured out? Yeah.
Got a new radiator on the way for it. I think I might take it to Travis's buddy's shop and just double check, make sure it's not the head gasket.
Right, that's what I've been wondering.
Yeah, well, very well could be. It's hard to say. I'm hoping not, but
right.
What do you do?
You were racing people there with it for a minute. So.
Yeah. For
it happens.
What a good 2 weekends without beating on.
It happens.
Yeah. I'll take it and do more over the winter time anyway. So.
Yeah, it's okay. My car's down for 5 months. I just threw it back together last week, and went on a 350-mile road trip day after I put it together.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Nice.
Made it the whole way?
It made it. Still covered in bugs. I didn't even have the time to clean it off. I was like,
I saw the video of it getting trailered in. I thought maybe it was.
Yeah, no, it's running.
Hey guys.
I'm doing good, man. How you doing? I love the wigs. There's like 3 or 4 of you guys with the wigs. Very cool. Very cool.
See it?
Yeah.
I think we might take it over and just check that it's not a head gasket, just to kind of get that out of the way.
Well, there's the kits you could buy that you stick a tube in your overflow tank, and you let the car run up to operating temperature, loosen the cap, and then put this on there with this fluid. It'll change colors if it's head gasket.
Huh.
So that might be the way to check it before tearing it apart. I'd hate to tear it apart and find out.
He was saying something about a pressure test?
Yeah, you can do a pressure test and that stuff, but usually running it, you'll see the exhaust feeding into the coolant. But if you're not losing coolant, I don't understand how it's...
You don't think it'd be head gasket then?
I don't think so. I'm almost wondering if it's tuning. Because when mine wasn't running right, it ran hot. Like mine runs 180 degrees. It was 200, 210, and man, those suckers goes. You seem bad. What's up, bro?
What's up? How you doing?
Am I on camera? Do I have to sign a waiver, a disclosure?
No, you just gotta suck on it again. We'll be all right.
Which end? This end? The batter end?
Yeah.
No, the top end. Come on, see? Suck that cap off. Bro, it's like sugar, milk, and no coffee. I mean, it's good. Don't get me wrong, it's good.
Where'd you find that at? Is that inside there or what?
At this truck right over here.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'm not Yelp reviewing it or anything. I'm not saying.
You never even told us the name.
I don't know. White Truck Coffee Incorporated? Don't get hit by the Mustang now. Crema.
You know they like doing
Yeah, you know what the Mustangs do.
I'm keeping him in check.
That guy started cutting the wheel.
I'm keeping him in check. I'm looking for a payday.
I just realized that Jimmy taped numbers onto his door.
Yeah. Dude, that's that 996 Turbo S right there. Dude.
Oh, gotcha.
That's what that is. It's one of those rare
Put that in the YouTube video. Just walk up. 996.
Yeah.
Beautiful car. I love the original paint.
It's one of those rare Detroit 996s. I think it's got cams too. I'm not sure. Or a guy named Cam owns it.
What's that?
Your car out here?
Yeah, the 720?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sitting on the
I was like,
the other side
so
of it.
familiar. I was
like, dude, I know this guy.
Yeah.
He's trying to blend in.
Incognito right now.
It's definitely the mullet that you recognize.
Yeah, it's something like that. Like, where do I know this guy from?
Man, it's really starting to fill up here now. You guys can see behind me here. My car is actually parked back there, so I'm not leaving even if I wanted to. I definitely don't want to though. This is pretty sweet. It's a lot of people here, a lot of good conversations already. And the event's 11 to 1 and it just now turned 11. So things are just starting to heat up here.
Heart turned cold, lost control. Looking at this beautiful distraction. Fell in love with a fatal attraction.
So if you guys had any question whatsoever about how crazy it got here, how many people are here, check this out. People are everywhere. It's packed in here. Obviously, this is just one little area here in Shane's shop. Street Speed just had his SVJ out back. He pulled it back in, hit launch control through the building. People went crazy. It was pretty sweet. Yeah, it's definitely been one heck of a turnout so far. You guys are probably wondering what's up with the outfit. Well, obviously it's Halloween weekend. Just come out, have a good time with it. Went to a party last night and thought, screw it, we're gonna have a good time today too. So here I am. It's pretty hilarious. People are loving it. I've gotten so many comments on how well the color of the hair matches the beard. People are loving it. They say it looks like my style. So yeah, it's been a good time. Well, the show's winding down here. It was definitely an awesome time today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I definitely enjoyed it today. I had a blast. Tons of cool cars here. Talked to a ton of people. It was definitely a great time. So please, guys, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me something down in the comments. See you guys later.